Hi, welcome to my channel, especially the new subscribers. You'll need at least 2 pears. Peel and cut them into thick pieces or slices. It will be easier to turn them when you have to turn them on the pan. Add the sugar and butter to the pan and allow it to melt. I started on medium heat and then I lowered the heat to low. Add the pears to the pan and turn twice. As I said, thicker slices are easier to handle, if not they will fall apart if they're too thin. When the sugar turns into a light caramel color, remove the pan from the stove because it will continue to cook and it can burn and it will turn bitter. Yeah, you don't want to burn the caramel, so remove it and allow it to cool. I use those pears on a pizza. You can click on the video at the end to check it out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.